And this one goes all cool in the center. Wow!
It's on my nose.